I am not here to give you a tip today. I am here to beg you. This is not a normal video. This is a warning. Every single month you wait to start and SIP. You are not just losing money. You are losing time, and time never comes back. So please, give me these 8 minutes. If you still don't start after watching this, that's okay, but at least I tried. Number 1. The math that will haunt you. First, let me explain one simple word: SIP. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. In simple words, instead of investing a big lump sum at once, you invest a small fixed amount every month, automatically, into a mutual fund. Think of it like a monthly gym membership, but for your money instead of your body. Now here's the story. Two friends, Ramesh and Suresh. Same salary. Same age, 25. Ramesh starts his SIP at age 25, investing 5,000 rupees every month. Suresh keeps saying, I'll start next year, and actually starts at age 35. Both of them stop at age 60. Same monthly amount. Same number of years investing. Actually, Suresh even invests for fewer years total. But Ramesh's final amount is almost double what Suresh has. Why? Because of something called compounding. Compounding simply means your money earns returns. And then those returns start earning their own returns too. Like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger as it rolls. The most important ingredient in compounding is not how much money you put in. It's how much time your money gets to grow. Ramesh got 10 extra years. Those 10 years made all the difference. Every month you say, I'll start next month. You're not just delaying a number, you are deleting years of growth you can never get back. Number 2. The I don't have money excuse. I know what you're thinking. Bro, I can barely survive right now. Where is extra money for SIP going to come from? Okay, let me ask an honest question. How much did you spend on food delivery apps last month? How many times did you go to a coffee shop this weekend? How many subscriptions are you paying for that you don't even use? I'm not saying stop enjoying life. I'm saying, you are already spending a few hundred rupees every month on things that give you no lasting value. Redirect just 500 rupees a month into an SIP. That's less than the cost of one pizza order. But that same 500 rupees, growing for 20 years, can turn into a fund worth lakhs of rupees. Thanks to compounding, remember, that's your money earning returns. And those returns earning more returns on top. This was never about I don't have money. It was about, I haven't made this a priority yet. Number 3. Stop waiting for the perfect time. A lot of people say, the market is too high right now. Let me wait for a correction, or let me wait until I understand this better. Here's the truth, there is never a perfect time. The stock market always moves up and down. That's just its nature. But SIP is special because of one thing, since you invest the same fixed amount every month. When the market is down, you automatically buy more units. When the market is up, you buy fewer units. Over time, this naturally averages out your cost. This is called rupee cost averaging. It simply means you don't have to guess the right time to invest, because you are spreading your investment across good times and bad times equally. You don't need to remember that fancy term. Just remember this, waiting is a bigger risk than starting. Number 4. The next month trap. This is the most important part of this video. You've probably already said I'll start next month. For months, maybe even years. Be honest, was that supposed to be after your last raise? After a new job? After your savings grew a little? That next month never actually comes. Because, like I said, there is no perfect moment. You are waiting to feel ready. But that feeling doesn't show up on its own. It shows up only after you take action. So after this video ends, please open your investment app, set up and SIP for 500 rupees. Do it now, not after the video, now. Number 5. Future you will thank you. 15 years from now, you will look back at this exact moment. You, watching this video in 2026. There are 2 versions of that future. In one, you watched this, closed the app, and forgot about it. In the other, you started your SIP right now. In both versions, you'll be the same age 15 years from now. The only difference is whether you have a financial cushion built up, or whether you are still saying, I'll start next month. The difference comes down to one decision you make today. And it's not even a big decision. It's just opening an app, filling one form, and setting up one SIP. I titled this video, I beg you to start doing SIP, because I genuinely don't want you to miss this. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video isn't financial advice. This is just a reminder from a friend to a friend. Go into whatever app you already have, or download one, and start and SIP with a small amount. It could be 500, it could be 1000. The amount doesn't matter, starting the habit does. If this video helped you, share it with one more person. That 1 minute you spent sharing could change their future too. At Day One Club, let's start the change from today. See you in the next video.